Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Louis, and I'm also here with three of my colleagues, Chad, Yining, and Ray. Today, we would like to introduce you an intelligent and evolutional digital tool to mitigate anxiety disorder, the Anxiety Minus. And next slide. Anxiety Minus is a smartphone application that designed by our innovative team. It is available in every mainstream operational systems, such as Android and iOS. You can simply download it from your smartphone app store and begin to explore its wonderful functionalities. So, what can we do? Firstly, Anxiety Minus can monitor your anxiety level based on its intelligent information system. The Anxiety Minus can also immediately inform you with your anxiety symptoms and remind you to cool down. And then Anxiety Minus can instantly recommend some useful and customized care solutions, such as musical treatment. It can also record your anxiety symptoms and redirect this information for further use, such as direct them to professional care centers, where these care centers are also interconnected in the app. The goal of Anxiety Minus is to use the fruits of technology to help people who suffer from anxiety disorder in any ways. It will help you detect, monitor your mental status, and smoothly guide you to the most professional and effective treatment. Our motivation of this initiative is threefold: the social context, the individual need, and technologies. In the modern era, mostly anxiety is interpreted as a regular mental status for people to describe their daily activities, instead of a professional medical terminology. However, untreated anxiety disorders can cause harm that is far beyond our imagination. We must place more attention in formalizing this issue and begin to investigate a feasible solution. For individuals with anxiety, the implicit needs for treatment are often ignored as well. A large portion of the patients have no idea of how they can deal with their incremental anxiety level, or they simply feel like there is no explicit solution, so they have to bear with it inside all the time. And eventually, no one can ignore how rapidly technologies are restructuring the world on a daily basis. We can't help to think, how can we explore technologies to give birth to an evolutionary product, as it not only fits perfectly in a social context, but also satisfies the individual needs. Hence, Anxiety Minus has finally removed its veil to everyone today. And next, I'll leave the rest to my colleague Chad to explain further on Anxiety Minus.
Thanks, Louis. Next page. Anxiety Minus is designed to addressing the prevailing issues of anxiety and consider it as a revolution to approach mental health. The first issue we need to acknowledge is the underestimation of anxiety existence among the society. Anxiety affects a significant portion of the population, yet it often goes recognized and untreated. Additionally, there is an uneven distribution of mental health resources, leading to the limited accessibility for those in need. Regarding current anxiety mobile health apps, we have identified three key problems. Firstly, there is a lack of professional guidance, which undermines the effectiveness and safety of the app for users. Secondly, unauthorized evaluation criteria compromise the reliability and accuracy of information and services. Lastly, most existing apps prioritize commercial profits over the well-being of their users. Next page. And hopefully, throughout the project, Anxiety Minus stands out by successfully addressing such issues and offering the groundbreaking solutions to elevated anxiety levels. Our app incorporates three essential features. Initially, we realized real-time behavior and psychological mentoring via user activity analysis and physical indicators for pulse rates and sleep patterns. Besides, we built a synchronization between app and EHR system to boost the collaboration and care coordination. And we also set up the health assistance for users 24 hours via online chat. Lastly, we established an online community embedded in the app so the users can connect people with similar experience in anxiety. Next page. For our application, Anxiety Minus caters to diverse user scenarios. As registered users, they can benefit in two ways. Firstly, the app allows them to relate their anxiety levels. Users will receive interventions and customized care plans for treatment based on their requirements. Secondly, the online community provides them with a place to connect, share experiences, and get support from others, and render them foster a sense of belonging rather than isolations. As health providers, they can easily follow up on the mental status of potential patients. This renders them exercise better communication and professional skills through remote healthcare. Next page. Dive into the mockup section. We will showcase the key features in our app interface. Current demonstration is based on front-end design, and we will keep improving the functionalities based on the market feedback. Firstly, here is a sequence for app registration. As a user, they can register for an ISYS900 account while linking social media platforms. After logging, users can access their personal profile within the app and have the option to integrate their EHR system so that they can receive tailored recommendations from medical histories. This ensure security, we employ authentication APIs to prevent information leakage, including facial technologies and encryption methods. As users, they can select their preferred language in app so that they can obtain better app experience. In the future, as developers, we'll keep expanding language support in our app. Next page. For analysis interface, it realizes the functionality of anxiety detection. If users connect Apple Watches or fitness trackers, the app can seamlessly synchronize physical data. Besides, by using monitoring APIs, the app summarizes the mobile usage on devices. We also use deep learning algorithm to conclude comprehensive assessment of anxiety risk levels. As users, they can overview the real-time risk levels and the statistic reports. Meanwhile, the alert system is triggered if detecting any abnormal data. In ISYS900, privacy is prioritized, where the user can sign privacy agreements to safeguard their personal information. I will follow Ray regarding the left mockup interface.
Thanks, Chad. Here we have online community function. It's just like Twitter, but customized for our users. Here, users can show their own feelings and see the content posted by other users. With this function, users can share experience to face anxiety and get encouragement from others. Also, we can establish a community linkage to create a better community atmosphere. Next page. And for the online live chat function, users can seek help for live medical assistance, and the communication record will be saved in EHR system so that users can review the chat recording in the future if they need. In other words, this function will provide timely and effective medical assistance to users. Next page. The final function is customized care plan. You can see the recommendations of relevant content, and the system will provide a guidance to relieve anxiety. This function is designed to help specific users to achieve a better medical experience. Next one, please.
Next, I will assess the viability of our project from 3 aspects. Let's begin with the cost factors. The app relies on a large amount of anxiety-related data in data analysis. Professional software engineering teams are hired for system development. Ongoing application maintenance ensure the app's performance is continually monitored and upgraded. As for the benefits factors, ISYS900 leverage digital solutions to offer effective treatment for anxiety disorders. Its mobility and agility allow for immediate treatment when anxiety levels spike. Compared to traditional in-person therapy, ISYS900 reduce operational and labor cost, enabling the allocation of resources for accuracy improvement and market expansion. The app's technological platform provides opportunities for constant upgrading and future value expansion. Next, let's consider the acceptability of ISYS900 from different stakeholders' perspective. For users, the app's computational psychology models ensure accurate anxiety detection and remote use. Compliance with data security laws protects user data, and the app is continuously updated based on users' feedback for an enhanced user experience. Medical staff can use ISYS900 for mental state monitoring outside the hospitals, enabling them to evaluate treatment effectiveness and develop more accurate treatment plans. Software development teams play a crucial role in continuously monitoring and updating the app. Operating companies can expect long-term profits as anxiety madness becomes widely adopted by patients and medical institutions. The last part is to protect user privacy. Anxiety madness complies with data security regulations. Users' accounts are secured with facial recognition and fingerprint authentic. Regular assessment of the app's cybersecurity can mitigate risks. The project team received security training to minimize internal risks. In conclusion, anxiety madness offers a cost-effective solution with numerous benefits for individuals with anxiety disorders. Its user-centric approach, commitment to data security, and potential for market growth will bring a change in the field of mental health. Thank you for your listening.